Hello and welcome to this short presentation from Duncan Cartledge Online. In this presentation, we will be looking at development appraisal. All investments, regardless of the sector, involve risk. However, property development carries greater risk than most. A development appraisal helps to assess the feasibility of a proposed project and also will be required by potential funders. The technique used to assess project feasibility is known as the developer's budget or the residual method of valuation. Basically, the technique involves preparing a balance sheet. On one side, the value of the development. On the opposing side, the costs associated with construction and associated works. The residual figure traditionally represents the amount that the developer can afford to bid for the site. When dealing with housing, the value is assessed by comparison with other similar developments. When dealing with commercial development, the basis for determining value is rather different. A summary of some of the costs associated with a proposed development are listed on this page. As always, for the complete picture, go to Duncan Cartledge Online.